So now we will start exercise 5.1. Before doing this exercises of multiplication, children, I will like to tell you, please learn multiplication table up to 15. At least 15 you have to learn to complete the sum easily and quickly. So exercise 5.1. 6 into 9. If you will learn the table easily, then you can complete multiplication very fast and quick. 6 into 9. 6 into 9, we all know 6 into 9 is 54. Then this one you have to do in your book. Exercise 5.1 you will do in your book. 8 into 6, 48. Then 9 into 5, 45. Simply you will write like this. 5 into 8, 40. Then in 10 into dash is equal to 60. You will find out in 10 table where is 60. So 10 into 6 is 60. 9 into dash is equal to 72. So in 9 table where you will get 72. So 9 into 8 is 72. 9 into dash is 54. 9 into 6 is 54. 9 into 9 is equal to dash 81. Since 6 into dash is equal to 30, here you have to find out in 6 table where is 30. So 6 into 5 is 30. Rest of the sum you can do by yourself. Now, I think it's clear. 63 into 2. So we will go to the first ones place. In ones place here is 3, here is 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. Then you will come to the tens place. That is 6 into 2 is our 12. Then second question, 43 into 3. Same way, first we will go to the ones place. So in ones place 3 into 3 is 9. Then we will go to the tens place. That is 4 into 3 is your 12. Then question number C, 21 into 4. So in ones place there is 1 into 4, that is 1 into 4 is 4. In the tens place 2 into 4, that is 8. So our answer is 84. So question number D, we can see 20 into 5. So we know the properties of multiplication. If you will multiply 0 with any number, the answer will be 0. So 0 into 5 is 0. 2 into 5 is in the tens place 10. So our answer is 100. So come to the ones place, 82 into 6. 2 into 6 is 12. 2 carried 1. In the tens place it is 8 into 6 is 48 plus 1 is 49. So question number F, 72 into 7. 72 into 7. So 2 into 7 is 14. 4 carried 1. So in the tens place 7 into 7 is 49 plus 1 is 50. 35 into 5. In the ones place it is 5 5s are 25. 5 carried 2. We will write here. In the tens place 3 into 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. So H, I, J, K, L you will do in the same way in your book. Then question number 3, multiply the following. One 23 into 2. So in the ones place it is 3 into 2 is 6. In the tens place 2 into 2 is 4. In the 100 place 1 into 2 is 2. So 131 into 6. So we will come to the ones place first. 1 into 6 is 6. Tens place 3 into 6 is 18. 8 carried 1. In the 100 place 1 into 6 is 6 plus 1, 7. So our answer is 786. Question number C, 351 into 3. In the ones place 1 into 3 is 3. In the 100 place 5 into 3 is 15. 5 carried 1. In the 100 place 3 into 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. Our answer is 1053. Now Bit number D. 286 into 2. So 6 into 2 is 12, 2 carried 1. So 8 into 2 is 16, plus 1, 17, carried 1. In the 100 place, 2 into 2 is 4, plus 1, 5. 143 into 6. 6 3s are 18, 8, carried 1. 4 6s are 24, plus 1, 25. 5 carried 2. So in the 100 place, 1 into 6 is 6, into 2 is 12. So in the same way, F, G, H, I, J, K you will do in your book. Now, page 51. Multiply with 10. 6 into 10, 60. 136 into 10, 136 into 10 is 1360. Here students, one trick I will say you, if you are multiplying any number with 10, 100 and 1000, you will do is what? You will write that number and you will count the zeros. Suppose in a 10 there is 1 0, so you will put the 0. Same number you will put and you will write the zeros. Now 6 into 10 is 66. You will write and count 0 is 1, so 0. Same way here, 136 into 10, 136 into 1 is 136, you will write. So 1 0, you will put 1 0. Same way, 310 into dash is equal to 3080. So our answer will be 10. So 58 into 10, same way, 58 into 1 is 58. So 1 0 is there, we will write here 1 0. 89 into 10, 89 into 1 is 89. So 1 0 is there, 1 0. So same way you can do this for. Here in your book it is given multiplication up to 20. First, till now I will tell you to learn up to 15, but as we proceed on I will tell you have to learn the multiplication table up to 20. So by this session we will complete multiplication table up to 20. So now for now you learn till 15.